Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday. Thank you for joining me for another episode in Recycling Old Greeting Cards. Today, we're going to be using or doing door hangers. And I did not do anything to this card as yet, but this was um, a Mother's Day card that I got from my daughter and granddaughter a few years ago. And I'm going to utilize that to create my door hanger. So guys, if you have been enjoying my series, thank you so much. And also don't forget to subscribe. It would be very helpful to me, so that I can have more of my content out there. And also give it a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions, by all means, feel free to share. I'll be happy if you have any other options for recycling as well. So again, thank you to my subscribers and all of those who have come to view my videos and who have already given a thumbs up. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. So I'm just going to go through what this card is like. So for the most part, it has really nice designs on the inside. And of course, that's always the back part with the, QR code and everything. But it has this piece in here and it has those lovely circles and things that I just love. And of course, the front is pretty much the same. So what I will be doing, I want to preserve the words. So this is a birthday card actually. Oh, okay. Yeah. So I'm going to preserve the words so that I can use it in the bookmark and see what I can, have here to remind me of who gave me what. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and pry this apart. I will also be using a hexagon here to, get the pieces out. And if for any reason you don't have anything like a hexagon or what have you, just grab, any cover, like circles, and just go ahead and draw around and just, cut them out however you want to. That's another option without the die cuts. So I will be right back. Once I have pried everything and cut everything out, I shall be back. Okay, y'all, I am back. I was able to get everything that I needed so that I can go ahead and get everything started off. So if you had remembered the original card, of course, which you may have seen at the beginning of this tutorial. So the card, I just basically cut out, use the hexagon and cut out some of those. I wasn't sure how I was going to use them yet. I know I couldn't use all the words, but I just took, most of them because, a door hanger, there's only so much, not unless you make it extremely long, and I didn't want something very long either. I did cut down that nice pink banner, to sort of shorten it out. I took part of the, whoops, yeah, part of the words inside. I don't know why this is not focusing. And this is so cute to my granddaughter. She said, "I love you, grandma, grandma with two M's." That is too cute. And from Jazz to grandmama. Oh, that's what she meant, grandmama. But that's when she was younger. So this cat was around for a little bit. And this is, of course, my daughter. So I'm going to just, I cut out a whole bunch of those. I love them anyway. I can use them for another card. I also cut out 2 3-inch, 1 second guys. Excuse me, I have a cold. I also cut out 2 3-inch wide pieces of that card so I can actually, give it a little bit of body, I guess, and strength once I get it together. But for the most part, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and use just 3 of those, and I'm going to kind of just get them, on the edges here so that I have more, of this, but with a little bit of a style on there. So I'll get those done. Okay, so now we have just a nice little something on the sides here. And now I'm going to go ahead and see how I can get those things stuck in. So I think I want mom down here to start. So I will just put just a like a tad of glue here and there because I don't want too much glue on this. I'm going to stick it down in the bottom here. And then the other part, mom, you're incredible. I'm just going to put 3 dots here just to keep it tacked in. So I still have memories of this card and I can use it as a door hanger. Now you can also laminate this if you want, like I mentioned previously. So let's have this like that. So far you can see I still have just a little reminder, if you can see, okay, and the nice little circles. And then now I'm going to go ahead and adhere this, whoops, to the back like this. You can preserve it too if you have a laminating machine, or if you know where you can get it laminated, that's fine. So this would be the card. Now the other thing I'm going to do, and I will post the final product, I will use a circle die cut and I will place a circle here. Now at the top, because I want to laminate this, to be honest, at the top you're going to do a diagonal cut, and I'll try to make sure I get that done before I post it. In that way you'll be able to see like how it goes around the door handle. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Next week we are going to be looking at another option, but just stay tuned. So excuse me, stay tuned for the next episode in recycling old greeting cards. Bye.